Alright guys, may isang reaction video po tayo. And don't forget to subscribe this channel, Rob Trip. Alright, intro muna tayo guys. Alright, Alice Guo posibleng papunta sa Golden Triangle na pugad umano ng mga sindikato ayon sa PAO-CC. At posibleng umanong patungo sa Golden Triangle region si Alice Guo. Ang iba pang kasama nito batay sa nakuhang impormasyon ng Presidential Anti-Organized Crime ng Commission o PAO-CC. Ang Golden Triangle ay nasa boundary ng tatlong bansa at sinasabing pugad ng mga sindikato. Alright, panoorin po natin and without further ado, let's go.
Posibleng sa Golden Triangle ang huling destinasyon ni dating Mayor Alice Guo at ng kanyang pamilya. Ito ang isiniwalat ng Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission o PAOC. Ang Golden Triangle region ay matatagpuan sa Tibong Silangang Asya, sa kahabaan ng Mekong River, at nasa boundary ng Myanmar, Laos at Thailand. Sinasabing maraming mga illegal na aktibidad dito gaya ng cyber scams, money laundering at iba pa.
As far as the mission is concerned, as far as the PAOC is concerned, we are confident that it's time to get into the triangle. Because the whole family has business interests, family interests in Cambodia. And so, that would be the safest bet that we have as a business.
Ayon sa PAOC, hindi magpupunta ng China si Guo dahil sa mga kinakaharap nitong kaso sa Pilipinas at istrikto ang China pagdating sa mga kaso na may kinalaman sa sugal.
So definitely not going to China. As much she is already person interest as far as China is concerned, because she's a person since Philippines to illegal companies. And we know how strict China is in relation to government.
Sa monitoring ng PAOC, July 14, huling nakita sa bansa si Alice Guo sa isang pribadong resort sa Luzon. Pero nakaalis na sila nang dumating ang mga otoridad na magsisilbi sana ng kanyang warrant of arrest. July 18, nang makarating ito sa Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. July 21, nagpunta ito sa Singapore. At August 18, nagtungo ito sa Batam, Indonesia. Malaki ang posibilidad na hindi dumaan sa normal na proseso si Alice Guo sa paglabas dito ng bansa.
We are not seeing the need to end all the black records or message records on this case. So we are very confident that she did not need to come to via the normal way, via the invitation exit points. So this is why the President released public statement that all of us is enforcement of not a thorough investigation as to what happened in those 3 days that she was absent. Because obviously those were the days that she left. And this would not have happened if no private individuals or maybe public officials have assisted. Kasi an operation of that magnitude has so many moving parts. And to control an information set would require a technical expertise that is not available to just simple individual.
Nitong nakaraang linggo, nagtangka umanong lumabas ng Batam, Indonesia ang kapatid nito na si Wesley Guo papuntang Hong Kong. Pero wala pang ulat ang PAOC mula sa Hong Kong counterpart nito. Si dating Mayor Alice Guo naman ay nasa Indonesia pa rin daw.
Indonesian authorities are confident that she still secure in the Batam area. Unfortunately, we have no notice, we have direct notice that the facility needs to return to the Philippines.
Ryan Lacanlali, UNTV News.
Alright, napaka-nood at pakinggan natin ang Golden Triangle guys ay nasa boundary ng tatlong bansa na sinasabi na pugad ng mga sindikato. Alright, and thank you so much sa panonood at pakinig dito kay Rob Trip. And see us again guys sa ating reaction video. Peace out.